SOLIDWORKS will update your drawings with the latest model information. But you can actually see what has been updated when you open the drawing. Go to the color options and in the bottom put a check mark in Use specified color for change drawing dimension on open. If I change some of the measurements in that model and I open the drawing, the measurements changes color and I can quickly spot what has been changed. If I hover over a dimension, I can see what it was previously. Now, if I save the document and close it and reopen it, the colors are back to normal as no change has been made.